Welcome back to the channel, where luxury meets innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury minivans of the decade, the all-new 2026 Lexus L Series. Yes, Lexus has officially shattered the minivan stereotype and elevated it into something that feels like a private jet on wheels. Let's kick things off with the front, because the 2026 Lexus LM doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. The face is bold, futuristic, and unmistakably Lexus. A massive spindle grille, now more refined with a three-dimensional mesh design, dominates the front, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlamps with intricate DRLs that scream sophistication. Aerodynamic lines, a sculpted hood, and chrome accents give it that VIP presence. Part spaceship, part presidential motorcade. This isn't just a van, this is a luxury statement on wheels. Swinging around to the back, the Lexus LM continues to impress. You're greeted with a clean, elegant rear profile, accentuated by a full-width LED light bar and sleek vertical tail lamps. The tailgate is massive yet minimalist, and the Lexus badge glows subtly in the center, hinting at the premium world inside. The powered sliding doors, chrome detailing, and flush design elements speak volumes. This is a van built to turn heads from every angle. But the real magic happens inside, and trust me, you've never seen a minivan interior like this before. The 2026 Lexus LM is less of a car and more of a mobile five-star lounge. Up front, the cockpit is a fusion of modern minimalism and high-tech craftsmanship. A wide digital display stretches across the dash, seamlessly integrating the infotainment and instrument cluster. Lexus's ambient illumination gives the cabin a cool, futuristic glow. The seats, full leather, ventilated, heated, massaging, with Ottoman-style recliners available in the executive trim. You'll find airline-style privacy partitions, built-in mini-fridges, 26-inch rear screens, and even noise-cancelling tech built into the cabin walls. Under the hood, the 2026 LM comes with two powertrain options depending on the market. A 2.4-litre turbocharged hybrid and a 3.5-litre V6, both mated to a smooth ECVT or direct shift 8AT transmission, delivering a silent, butter-smooth driving experience. While it's not built for speed, Lexus tuned the LM for supreme ride quality using adaptive dampers and the GAK platform, the same foundation used in the RX and ES. Now let's talk numbers. While Lexus hasn't officially announced global pricing yet, based on the outgoing model and its enhanced features, expect the 2026 Lexus LM to start around $130,000 for the base executive trim, and well over $170,000 for the fully loaded 4-seat ultra-luxury variant with every option checked. So, when can you actually get your hands on one? Lexus has already launched the LM in select Asian markets including Japan and China, and it's expected to hit global markets including Europe and the Middle East in late 2025. with a North American release window projected for early 2026.